whiteout going on. Look at this guy. Boy, he got a bad one, didn't he? Boy, he got a bad one. He won't be getting. Oh! Look what we got up here, guys.
What?
We got semis off the road. We got a pile up. And these guys are not going to get stopped. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on.
She just had a wreck in that!
Hey, this ain't nothing to frown about.
We just saw her run into that semi.
See how our airbags went off?
Yeah. I see. We just saw it crash.
Stay in the car, guys. They're going to keep piling up down here. Look at this big semi coming in. He's going to crash. He's going to crash. He can't shut her down.
Who?
He can't get her shut down.
Who's coming?
This semi.
I don't see a semi.
Look right behind us. Look behind you, son. You see him? He's going to hit something hard. Ain't no shit. Hold on, guys. Hold on.
It's coming!
Hold on. There ain't no stopping it. No, don't get out! Damn it!
Oh.
Damn it!
What?
And that girl. Get in!
Get in! Get in! Get in! Get in! Get in!
Get in! Get in here!
Oh my God!
Get in, baby. Shut that door. Shut the door. Hurry up, guys. Get in. Get your seatbelt on, sis. Get the back. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're protected, guys. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Calm down. Did you have somebody in the car with you?
I don't have my phone.
Did you have somebody in the car with you? Okay, you're all right. Just get in the back. Just get back in the back.
Oh my God, everybody's
Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on. Just chill out. It's okay. We're okay. Listen, Colton. It's okay. Calm down.
Are we okay?
Yes, we're all right. Just get in the back if you don't mind.
So
It's okay, guys.
I want my mom.
It's a good thing you got out of that car. Hey, it's okay, sis. We're all right.
I want to go home.
We're all
I want
right.
to go home.
It's okay,
I wanna
bud.
go
Hey,
home.
look. Hey, it's okay, son. Take some deep breaths. We're stuck right here. Look, we're stuck, but we're protected.